At the risk of letting Xavier's loading the vacuum. Oh, very good boy, Xavier. Now let's go over to where your Cheerios are. Yes. Oh, very good. Yes, you're such a good vacuumer. Whoa. Whoa, what's that? Is that a Cheerio? Xavier, what about that? You vacuum that up. Oh, no, you missed it. Great idea, though. Yes. Oh, we're going to go back for it. Xavier. What about there? Oh. Nope. We're going to keep on going. You never know where you're going to find that mess. Oh, I'm so busy. Cleaning the house is hard work. Oh. Isn't it though? Yay!